For the transistor circuit of figure, find IB, VCE and VO. Take beta is equal to 200, VBE is equal to 0.7 volt. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now we will solve this using mesh analysis. Let's assume this is mesh number 1 with current I1. This is mesh number 2 with current IB. And this is mesh number 3 with current IC. Because the collector current is in opposite direction, so this we will take anti-clockwise. So this is IC, loop number 3 or mesh number 3. This is the collector of transistor, so this current is IC. This is the base of transistor, so this is IB, and this is the emitter of transistor, so this is IE, emitter current, IE, this is base current and this is collector current. Voltage between base and emitter will be positive, this will be negative. So VBE. VBE is the voltage between base and emitter. Now we will apply KVL to mesh number 1. So according to the direction of this current, this will be positive, negative, here positive, negative. Let's say we will start from here. So this will be minus 3 plus 6000 I1 plus 2000 I1 minus IB. I1 minus IB is equal to 0. This will be minus 3 plus 6000 I1 plus 2000 I1 minus 2000 IB is equal to 0. Now this will be 8000 I1 minus 2000 IB is equal to 3. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we will apply KVL to mesh number 2. Apply KVL to mesh number 2. Let's say we will start from here. According to the direction of this current IB, this will be positive, this will be negative. Here this will be positive and this will be negative. So plus 2000 IB minus I1 plus 2000 IB minus I1 plus VBE plus VBE plus 400 plus 400 IB plus IC. IB plus IC. IB plus IC is equal to 0. Now this will be 2000 IB minus 2000 I1 plus VBE. The value of VBE is given, which is 0.7 volt. 0.7 plus 400 IB plus 400 into IC. Now this IC can be replaced by beta IB. Beta IB IC is equal to beta IB. The value of beta is given, which is 200 IB. So directly we will write IC is equal to 200 IB is equal to 0. This will be minus 2000 I1, then this will be 2000, then plus 400 plus 400 plus 400 into 200 plus 400 into 200, 82400 plus 82400 IB. Now this is equal to minus 0.7. Now we have two equations. One is equation number 1 and second is this equation. Let's say this is equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get mod 5. There are two unknowns, so equation number 1, this will be 8000 minus 2003. From equation number 2, minus 2000 82400 minus 0.7. So I1 is equal to 3.75 into 10 raised to minus 4 ampere, and IB is equal to 6.105 into 10 raised to minus 7 ampere. What we have to find? We have to find IB, VCE and VO. So this is the value of IB. Next we have to find VCE and VO. This VCE and VO. So first we will find this VO. VO is equal to 400 into IE. VO is equal to 400 into IE. into, now this IE is 1 plus beta IB. So this will be 400 into 1 plus beta. Beta is 200. So 200 IB. The value of IB is 6.105 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this will be 400 into 1 plus 200 into 6.105 into 10 raised to minus 7. This will be 49.08 into 10 raised to minus 3. The unit of voltage is volts. So therefore VO is equal to 49.08 into 10 raised to minus 3 volt. Next we have to find VCE. This VCE. To find VCE, we will apply KVL in mesh number 3 or mesh number this IC. Apply KVL in mesh number 3. This is mesh number 1, this is mesh number 2 and this is mesh number 3. So let's say we will start from here. According to the direction of this IC, this will be positive, this will be negative, and here this is positive, this is negative. So let's say we will start from here. So minus 9 plus 5000 IC plus 5000 IC plus VCE plus VCE then plus VO is equal to 0. Plus VO is equal to 0. Now this will be minus 9 plus 500. Now this plus 5000 IC is equal to beta IB plus VCE plus VO. The value of VO is 49.08 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 0. So this will be minus 9 plus 5000 into beta is 200 into IB is 6.105 into 10 raised to minus 7. 6.105 into 10 raised to minus 7 plus VCE plus 49.08 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this will be minus 9 plus 5000 into 200 into 6.105 into 10 raised to minus 7 plus 49.08 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus 8.34 plus VCE is equal to 0. Therefore, VCE is equal to 8.34. The unit of voltage is volt. What we have to find? We have to find IB, VCE and VO. So IB is equal to 6.105 into 10 raised to minus 7 ampere. VO is equal to 49.08 into 10 raised to minus 3 volt. And VCE is equal to 8.34 volt. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.